Hi guys, my name is Maria. I am Maria Pro of Muscle by Maria, and I hosted the event today called Workout for Warmth. I am a local instructor for group fitness around the Broomfield, Boulder area. I also am an online personal trainer with clients all over from New York to California to Texas to Colorado. So I'm just getting everyone active all over the place. We have 4 events going on. During this one event, 4 workouts, we have boxing, HIIT, dance, and yoga. So they get 4 workouts, 1 event, and it's a free event. I just ask all participants come with something warm, be that a gently used jacket or a scarf or gloves for kids. We donate all of our donations for the workout to Tennyson Center for Children in Denver and A Precious Child. So we're keeping kids warm while we're working out and getting warm. And all around, it's a pretty great deal for everybody. We have Defy, which is a local CBD company. We have Dough Bar Donuts located in Fort Collins, Zero Shoes from Boulder, Colorado Discount Nutrition with locations all over Colorado, Athleta from Pearl Street. So plenty of businesses partnering in, helping us out, helping keep the kids warm, helping keep everyone out here active and moving, and then hooking them up with a little something afterwards as well.
Hi, I'm Megan Bushell, CEO and founder of Defy, a performance and lifestyle company. My co-founding partner is Terrell Davis, NFL Hall of Famer and former Denver Bronco. Defy is a Black-owned, women-owned, and veteran-owned company located right here in your hometown, Denver, Colorado. I just want to thank everyone for coming out today for the Workout for Warmth, put together by Maria Pro of Muscle by Maria. There was such an amazing turnout. So many jackets were brought and donated to help people stay warm this winter here in Colorado. We are just so thrilled. I think everybody had a phenomenal workout. We definitely need to recover at the end of this one. I am worn out.